Listen here.
And it smells
You thought
amazing.
only men can braai, ne?
No.
Not at this house. Here we braai. You
Okay.
will fail at this, but it's okay.
Spoke like a true parent. I'm here with the amazing actress, singer, model, mom, personality, Stephanie Baartman. I'm Leon Grop, by the way. What are you going to make for us today, Stephanie?
Today we're going to make chicken sosaties. So what I've got here is chicken thighs. They're very juicy, and that's why I choose thighs. You can use any chilies that you like. Right now I've got a jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
In Cape Town we say jalapeno. Just for some spice, yes. So now we're going to start making our sosaties, which is the most fun to do. So I choose to use 2 sticks.
Why? Why is that?
So that you can put more meat on it.
Well, okay, yeah, that might...
Like me, I'm double boned.
Yeah.
Double boned, more meat. We've made these beautiful sosaties. From here, we're gonna put it into our casserole braai back.
Yes,
And
braai
then we're gonna take it out to the fire.
Ah, wonderful.
Okay, let's just do that. Listen.
Aye.
Listen to that. Ooh. You like that? That's beautiful. And everyone thinks that you only have to take a sosatie and eat it like this.
I thought that's what we're going to do, actually.
No. So much you can do with sosaties. So these wraps, as you can see, it's not very easy to fold them when they're this cold.
I say.
Leon, layering of flavors. Let's do this. 2 hearts beating as one. Leon, so now our wraps are nice and soft. We're gonna start preparing our chicken wrap. Ooh. Over.
I was saying, yeah, like beautiful. Thank you for this amazing recipe. Cheers.
If I do say so myself.
Okay, I don't want to drool over this.
Oh.